Leo man, 5 ways to make him fall in love. Hey guys, in this video I will give you the best tips on how to make a Leo man interested. Today's topic will be helpful for all the girls who want to have a long-term and successful relationship with this astrological sign. To be honest, it's not strange why lots of women like Leo male. He is the real king of zodiac after all, and his power and masculinity, that's what attracts you to him, right? However, it's not easy to win his heart when it comes to seduction. In order to make Leo man love you, you have to choose the right strategy in communication with him, because understanding his behavior in a relationship, that's what will allow you to get Leo guy fast. There are many pieces of advice about Leo sign attraction in internet, but only a little number of them can be helpful for you. Fortunately, I'll give you the 5 really effective tips on how you can make Leo man fall in love with you. Stay tuned and keep watching. Tip number 1. In order to win the heart of a Leo sign, you have to possess some kind of charm and charisma, because this guy is always attracted to those girls who demonstrate him their playful behavior, especially on the initial stage of a relationship. In other words, Leo man likes when a girl behaves differently, because it looks like a new challenge for him. Challenge that awakes his passionate desire to discover your personality and even showing a readiness to fight for your heart. So, if you really want to make Leo male love you, just try to be more enigmatical for him. That is the first way to wake up his curiosity. Tip number 2. By dating a Leo man, it's just important to make him feel like he's your king. Literally, he wants too much attention from women, because it always shows him a real value of his personality. Moreover, asking for a piece of advice, asking for help when you need it, that's also matter when you have a deal with Leo zodiac in a daily life. Generally speaking, in order to keep this guy interested, every girl has to demonstrate her real attraction to him. Fake intentions and frivolous emotions do not work. Instead, if you know how to flirt properly, you will definitely get more scores on the way of his seduction. But don't exaggerate while flirting with him. I mean, you have to know the limits without crossing the red line in communication, because if he sees your consistent inapproachability and absence of serious attitude to him, then your chances to make Leo man love you will be miserable. That's 100%. Tip number 3. Your look. Now I mean not only your beautiful clothes or expensive makeup, but also your general appearance. All Leo men like women with a natural hair color and right posture. It sends them a huge signal about your pure femininity. And I always say, it's not necessary to make a plastic surgery or different kind of tricks with your face and body. You will definitely make Leo men fall in love much faster if you stop using this stuff which hides your natural beauty. Leo males are the masters of recognizing what is real and what is fake, and relying on the cosmetics and fancy things is not what can help you to make him love you. Tip number 4. All the women who used to cry without a reason, or those who always have a depressive mood, their chances to get a Leo guy like you are equal to 0, because this man is considered as one of the strongest in comparison with other zodiac signs, and you shouldn't wonder why he's always choosing the same character ladies for relationship.